Building websites, it's a jungle out there. Yo, what's up everybody? Casey Neistat here. So, you want to build a website? Cool, it's like stepping into a jungle, right? Tons of options, each one yelling, pick me, don't sweat it, we've all been there. Choosing the right website builder can feel like a high-stakes game. But hey, relax. It's not about climbing Mount Everest, it's about finding the tool that fits you best. Think of it like picking the right skateboard for a kickflip. You want something smooth, reliable, and stylish, right? That's where Wix and Instapage roll in. They're like the Tony Hawk and Rodney Mullen of the website builder world. Each one brings its own flavor to the table. Ready to dive in? Let's do this. Wix is like that chill friend who can do it all. Need a blog? Wix has got you. Online store? Bam! Wix again. It's all about drag and drop simplicity and creative freedom. Plus, they've got a massive library of templates to get you started. Instapage is more like that laser-focused buddy. They're all about landing pages, those pages that convert visitors into customers. They live and breathe optimization, A/B testing, and all that good stuff. Both platforms rock in their own ways, but which one will be your new best friend? Let's find out. Easy does it comparing usability. Wix is all about being user-friendly. It's like riding a bike. You hop on, get a feel for it, and before you know it, you're cruising. Drag, drop, and boom. Your website starts taking shape. Instapage is pretty intuitive too. They focus on making landing page creation a breeze. It's a bit more streamlined than Wix, which can be a good thing if you're all about speed and efficiency. Both platforms offer a smooth learning curve. But if you're a total beginner, Wix might feel a bit more welcoming. It's like that friend who's always down to help you out. Section 4, Templates and Themes, Dress to Impress. Wix is a fashion icon in the website builder world. They have over 800 designer-made templates. Whether you're a photographer, a musician, or a pizza chef, Wix has got a template that'll make you look like $1,000,000. Instapage is more about that minimalist chic. They offer a curated selection of high-converting landing page templates. They're all about clean design and maximum impact. Wix wins the sheer quantity game, but Instapage focuses on quality and conversion optimization. It's like choosing between a massive walk-in closet and a capsule wardrobe. Section 5, Show me the money pricing plans. Wix offers a free plan with limited features. It's a great way to test the waters. Their paid plans start at a few bucks a month and go up from there depending on your needs. Instapage doesn't offer a free plan. They're all about that premium experience. Their plans are a bit pricier than Wix's, but they come loaded with features for serious marketers. Wix is like that budget-friendly friend who knows how to stretch a dollar. Instapage is more like that friend who always goes for the best of the best. Section 6. Help is on the way. Customer support. Wix has got your back 24/7 with their support team. They offer phone, email, and chat support. Plus, they have a massive knowledge base with tons of helpful articles and tutorials. Instapage also provides excellent customer support. They're known for their quick response times and helpful advice. They offer email and chat support, and their knowledge base is packed with valuable resources. Both platforms offer top-notch customer service, so you can rest assured that help is just a click or a call away. So there you have it. Wix and Instapage are both awesome website builders. It's like choosing between a Ferrari and a Lamborghini. Both will get you where you need to go in style. Wix is your go-to for all-in-one website building. It's affordable, easy to use, and packed with features. Plus, they have over 200 million users worldwide. That's a whole lot of people building awesome websites with Wix. Instapage is the landing page king. If you're serious about conversions and want to optimize every step of the way, Instapage is your jam. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and goals. So take some time, explore both platforms, and see which one feels like the perfect fit. And hey, no matter which one you choose, you're one step closer to building an awesome online presence. Keep creating, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.